Your online reputation is your currency. How to monitor, manage, and improve your online reputation. Step 1. Audit yourself. Step 2. Monitor your reputation daily. Step 3. Fix your profiles. Step 4. Manage reviews online. Respond to all reviews. Positive equals gratitude, negative equals resolution. Step 5. Publish value. Step 6. Suppress negatives. Step 7. Maintain daily. Reputation is not a campaign, it's a continuous process involving listening, responding, improving, publishing, and monitoring brands. Reputation equals trust. Reputation equals revenue. Reputation equals power. Want to fix your reputation? DM reputation to Big Buzz online.